One more here.
One more.
1, 2, 3. Oh, Carol not even making.
1, 2, 3. He can help you. I know. I can help.
Louder.
I can't hear.
Louder.
I can't hear.
Louder. You guys are missing over there. That's all right.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Don't cry, Ralph.
Champagne.
Okay, get the champagne, honey.
Say hi to the camera.
Okay, I don't know whose camera this is, but you got a lot in here.
I was like,
She
over
dropped
there.
it.
Jeremy? We got the other, some glasses.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, I got the glasses. I brought the glasses. Oh, she's fine.
A few words from the proud father.
No.
Okay.
No, because it's just about time.
Yeah, that's pretty much true. Sums it up.
Hey, honey.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? No wonder. I was like, let's go snowboarding.
We're like, we need to take pictures.
Okay, one more. Back up a little bit.
What? Are we getting busted already up here? No. Good.
Yeah, I invited them.
I think this is a great place to get married. You know what? This is a great place to get married. I never even thought about it.
No, how long
I
do we
saw
do?
Hillary shot.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, they're going to bring
I got the cups.
plastic cups, Jamie. I told them, I don't think so.
Nick, you want to go in and grab the oranges in the back seat of my truck?
It's in the backseat, babe.